Hey, what's up, tech fans? Welcome back to Techsplorer, your go-to destination for all things tech. Today we've got some exciting news about Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Fresh leaks have surfaced, giving us a sneak peek into what could be Samsung's thinnest foldable yet. We're breaking down all the details and what it could mean for the future of foldable phones. So stick around and let's dive in. Now, before we dive into the leaks, let's quickly recap the foldable market and why the Z Fold series has been such a game changer. Samsung has been dominating the foldable phone industry with its Z Fold lineup, which started a few years back. The idea of a phone that could transform into a mini tablet was revolutionary, but let's be real, there were definitely some bumps along the way. The original Z Fold had issues with durability, especially with its screen and hinge design. But Samsung has been perfecting the foldable formula with each iteration, from improved glass technology to better battery life. Now, with the Z Fold Special Edition leaks, it seems like they're ready to push the boundaries even further. So let's talk about the latest leak. A design render has been circulating online, and it shows off what could be Samsung's sleekest foldable phone yet. The key takeaway: a much thinner chassis. We're talking about a device that looks significantly slimmer than the current Z Fold models. Now, this is exciting for a couple of reasons. First off, one of the biggest complaints about foldable phones has been their bulkiness. Sure, the foldable screen is a cool feature, but carrying around a bulky, heavy device isn't for everyone. With the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, it looks like Samsung is addressing that by making the phone much thinner and more portable. According to reports, Samsung has managed to reduce the thickness without compromising the internal folding mechanism. The phone will still offer that large, flexible AMOLED display that's perfect for multitasking, watching videos, or even gaming. Plus, the outer display is expected to stay large enough to be used comfortably in phone mode, so you won't need to unfold it for simple tasks like texting or calling. Let's not forget about what's under the hood. While the leaks didn't reveal a full spec sheet, we can speculate based on Samsung's history. We're probably looking at the latest Snapdragon chipset, likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or an Exynos equivalent, depending on the region. Expect at least 12 GB of RAM, which should make multitasking across that giant inner screen smooth as butter. The battery life is also rumored to be improved, which is a must for foldables since the larger screen can drain power quickly. Another highlight could be an upgraded camera system. Samsung's Z Fold devices have typically shared a lot of their camera tech with the Galaxy S series, so we might see improved zoom and low light performance with the Z Fold Special Edition. And finally, Samsung is likely to make enhancements to the software experience, ensuring that apps and games take full advantage of that foldable display. We could also see further refinements to One UI's multitasking capabilities, allowing you to run up to 3 apps at once or seamlessly drag and drop content between them. So, how will this special edition stack up against the competition? Samsung isn't the only player in the foldable market anymore. We've got big names like Huawei with their Mate X series, Google's Pixel Fold, and even Oppo and Xiaomi entering the foldable arena. But Samsung still has the advantage of being an early adopter and refining their technology over the years. If the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is as thin and feature-packed as the leaks suggest, it could maintain Samsung's lead in the foldable phone space. Not to mention, This special edition could be targeting a niche market perhaps aimed at business users or consumers who want the best tech in a slimmer, more premium package. Now, let's talk about price. Foldable phones aren't cheap, and the Z Fold lineup has always been a premium product. We can expect the special edition to be priced similarly to the Z Fold 5, which launched at around $1,800. However, if Samsung is adding extra premium materials or unique features, the price could easily exceed that. As for the launch date, the leaks haven't given us an exact timeline, but it's safe to assume we'll see this special edition sometime in early 2024, possibly around the same time as Samsung's next Unpacked event. So there you have it, the latest scoop on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. This device is shaping up to be a game changer, especially if Samsung can deliver on that thin design while maintaining top-notch performance. Are you excited about the future of foldable phones? Or do you think it's just a passing trend? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.